Hello you trolls. What I thought I'd do is just remind you how to divide polynomials. So say we have this problem here. X cubed plus 3x squared plus 7x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Let's rewrite it using kind of the traditional divide format that you guys have used in previous years, like in year 7 and 8. Now what we can do is we can say, alright, well, how many times does x minus 2 go into all this polynomial? Well, it's difficult to decide that. What we'll do is we'll just look at the biggest part here and say x and x cubed. Well, how many times does x go into x cubed? It would have to go in x squared times. And then what we do is we multiply x squared by x, which will give us x cubed, and x squared times minus 2 is minus 2x squared. Now when we take these away, x cubed take away x cubed is 0. You always line up identical powers one underneath the other one. So x cubed take away x cubed cancels out. And 3x squared take away minus negative 2x squared is 5x squared. Now these two expressions just come down. So 5x squared plus 7x minus 4. Alright, now how many times does x go into 5x squared? Or 5x times? 5x times x is 5x squared. And 5x times minus 2 is minus 10x. Now if we take these away from one another, 5x squared take away 5x squared is 0. And 7x take away negative 10. Take away negative is a positive. So 7x plus 10x is 17x. And this minus 4 will just come down. Well, how many times does x minus 2 go into 17x minus 4? It would have to go in 17 times. 17 times x is 17x. And 17 times minus 2 is minus 34. Now, if we take these away from one another, 17x take away 17x is 0. Minus 34 minus negative 30. Minus a negative is a positive, so minus 4 plus 30 is minus 4 plus 34 is 30. So this expression here would be equal to x squared plus 5x plus 17 plus 30 over x minus 2. This part here is the remainder that was left on the bottom down here. And this part here, x squared, is up here on the top. Alrighty, well I hope that helped. I'll see you in class if you have any more concerns.